So here's the step-by-step process on checking the battery voltage using your EverStart Max rapid charger. So first, you will have to, of course, open the hood. Then go back to your EverStart Max charger. You have to plug the battery charger's power cord into an AC outlet. That's your first step. And once you've plugged it in correctly, you will see that the charger will be in standby mode. Once it's in standby mode, it will show or display the following, right? The clamp icon will flash, the empty battery icon, and the gauge without the pointer will light. So that's what you see. So here's the clamps. The charger battery clamps are color coded. The charger's battery clamps are color coded, so you know that red is positive and black is negative. So you have to connect the battery clamps correctly to the corresponding connectors on the battery post. So make sure your red is on the positive connector in your car and black is on the negative connector, which I'm showing you right now. So once it's done, you are gonna go press the charge voltage button. So here's your EverStart Max. Press the charge voltage button and it's then gonna display the following. So right now it's the digital display shows the current voltage of the connected battery for 5 seconds. And then the gauge without the pointer will light solid. The unit will automatically return to standby mode after 5 seconds. So the sound that you hear, that's the sound when the EverStart Max is turned on and is functioning. And then after that, you have to make sure that you turn off the EverStart Max rapid charger and take off the clamps after that. And make sure you cover, if there's a cover for the positive connector and then the negative connector, and you're good to go.